back, everyone, and I'm here with meteorologist Eric Alf to talk a little bit more about weather. And you know, for November, today was a really nice sunny day.
I agree.
So realistically speaking, though, how much of that are we going to be seeing next week?
Tomorrow going to be another nice day. Got a couple of rain chances this week. We will time that out in just a bit. But another key component to this forecast is the cold weather pattern change that's going to be coming by the weekend into next week. A chill down that has a lot of staying power. This weekend, low 40s. Some of these days, we may be even stuck in the 30s all day. Keep in mind, average high for this time of year is mid 50s. So, yeah, definitely some changes on the way. Well below average temperatures, and a true taste of winter is on the way. So enjoy some of the mild temperatures that we are going to be having for the next couple of days, because yeah, it's going to be going away to the very least by next weekend, this weekend as well. Tonight, though, not too bad for this time of the year. Generally 30s and 40s across the board, a bit warmer by Easton and Dover. Got mid 40s over there, but it is overall chillier than it was 24 hours ago at this time last night. And I do think overall tonight it's going to be a chillier night out there with calmer winds as well, with high pressure in control. So that's going to keep our weather nice and pleasant for tomorrow as well. And then we got this area of low pressure across the central plains. The low pressure center itself tracks to our north, but its attendant cold front will be moving through on Tuesday. And that's going to bring in a chance for some showers for Tuesday morning. And then I do think we will dry things out for the afternoon on Tuesday. So Tuesday afternoon turns out to be a drier go of it, but the Tuesday morning commute could be a little bit on the wet side. But no rain for tomorrow. We got plenty of sunny skies through and through with just a few clouds here and there. Temperatures upper 50s, close to 60 degrees, so it's going to feel nice, especially out in the sunshine. But the clouds will be on the increase Monday night into Tuesday morning. And when the front crosses through, we will get a chance for a few spotty showers across the area. That will move out here by the time we get to the afternoon. Now, the cold air will lag a little bit behind the front, so I think some of us could still get into the lower 60s before we cool things off to more seasonable temperatures for Wednesday. It looks like a pretty bright day that day as well. Then we get to Thursday. An area of low pressure is going to track to our north most likely. It remains to be seen how far north this precipitation shield gets. Some of the guidance is kind of fickle with that track. But the point being is that it turns unsettled for Thanksgiving. So if you have any outdoor plans, I would consider having a backup plan and maybe heading indoors, because wet weather is likely. If you're traveling north, keep in mind that snow is going to be possible with rain as well. But then that kicks on out here by the time we get to Friday. Conditions dry out and it's going to get cold. We're talking about true Arctic air coming in and lake effect snow as well. So again, if you're by the lake effect, the Great Lakes region, you want to keep that in mind, because some of these lake effect bands could cause some treacherous travel, especially in some of those heavier bands. The overall pattern going into the beginning of December, like I said, is cold and has a lot of staying power, with a deep trough in the eastern portion of the country. But what goes down in meteorology must come up. So mild conditions are expected for the West Coast. If you're traveling there, you're going to experience mild conditions, but in the east, no way. It's going to be cold for a number of days going into the beginning of December. So like I said, a true taste of winter is certainly on the way. Tonight, though, it's going to be chilly, but not too cold for this time of the year. 33 to 38 degrees with a mostly clear sky. Beautiful tomorrow, bright sunshine, 55 to 60 degrees. A great day for late November standards. Now we got the chance for a few showers Tuesday morning, clearing out by the afternoon. Some high thin clouds on Wednesday, but still nice, 54 degrees. Rain is likely, though, by Thanksgiving, with a few showers possibly lingering into mainly the first half of Friday with partially sunny skies. And then the weekend, it's just downright cold. Low 40s for high temperatures and lows down into the 20s. Tiara?